Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Data Analyst GPT by ChatGPT that you can use to drop any files into ChatGPT and help you analyze and visualize that kind of data file. Alright, before I would show you an actual example on how to use the Data Analyst GPT, I just want to let you know that I have a full database of more than 10,000 custom GPTs that you can search by official GPT description, custom GPT name, and is also categorized into more than 20 categories. So you can search by category as well, like business, crypto, finance, marketing, tech and programming, and so on and so forth. And you can get this database for absolutely free using the link in the description below. And you can also find some other free resources in the description as well. But now let's see how to use the Data Analyst GPT. This is the official GPT that was developed by OpenAI. And if you want to use this GPT, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. And all you have to do then, if you have one, is to click on Explore GPTs on the left here. Then you can find this GPT in the homepage, but you can also search for Data Analyst. And you can see here it is, as you can see, Data Analyst GPT. So all you have to do is click on it and this will open up the GPT. So as an example, we're going to use this following data set about product sales of a fictional company. So we have product names, margin, total sales, cost per unit, selling price per unit. And what we're going to do is download this Google Sheets in a CSV file. So you can turn any table into a CSV file if you want to do that, whether you are using Excel or Google Sheets. So I download this to a CSV file. And then all we have to do is upload this CSV file to Data Analyst GPT. So click on this attach icon here, find the file you want to upload. So I upload the CSV file. So as you can see, the file is being uploaded. And then once the file is uploaded, we can add our prompt. So you can be very specific with your prompt or very broad. I'm gonna give it a really broad prompt. So this is the prompt I have come up with: analyze the data in the file and give me some business insights, and also visualize the most important insights as well. So as you can see, I'm very broad. I'm not giving any specifics to ChatGPT. Let's see what it will come up with. So all you have to do is click on send message. So as you can see, it first starts by loading the data from the uploaded CSV. So as you can see, you can click on this down arrow and see that it's using Python to be able to load the data. So as you can see, this is some Python code using the Panda library, which is a very popular data analysis library in Python. And as you can see, first it tells you what kind of data set the file contains. So it's a sales information for different products. It has a product name column, a margin column, a total sale, a cost per unit, a selling price per unit. Then it starts the business insights, or the analysis part of the data analysis. And you can see that we will analyze the data focusing on the following areas. So product performance, profitability analysis, price and cost analysis, and visualization. First starts with summary statistics, so margins, the profit margin percentage varies significantly. So you can see we get a full analysis here in one single prompt. So if you are not really good with Excel, or you just wanted a brief summary of a data set or a brief business insights, this is a great way to use the Data Analyst Custom GPT. As you can see, besides the business insights and the summary statistics, it also will produce some visualizations for us. As you can see, here it is: top 5 products by total sales, top 5 products by total profit. And based on the visualization, it also gives some other business insights. So you can see it's giving us an additional analysis like customer segmentation, market trends, cost optimization, and we can add in a next prompt to continue the business analysis. But just in one single prompt, we have received the most important business insights with visualizations. So I think this is a great ChatGPT custom GPT. So if you have any kind of data analysis task, you can use the Data Analyst GPT to do that. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.